Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video here on Phloshop. My name is Joseph. Also, welcome to a brand new month. We're going to have amazing content on here, and also thank you guys for helping me reach 20k subscribers. If you haven't seen the thank you video I did, which was a live stream of me doing or building a set like in real time, I'm going to leave it somewhere here. You can click on it to watch that video. But again, thank you so much for 20k. I hope you're able to do a lot more in the months coming. But I'm choosing to welcome you guys into this new month with this new video where I'm going to be giving you 6 tips that can help you improve on your beauty photography. So the first point is going to be about lighting, and it's in the name photography. Photo means light, so you can't take any pictures without light. But that's not what I'm talking about today. What I'm talking about is the number of lights that you can use to capture amazing beauty portraits. In the beginning, and you would see on my channel, I've done so many beauty photography where I've used just one light, but now I'm going to be adding a second light. And hear me out, I'm going to explain the reason why I'm adding a second light. Adding the second light serve as a rim light. It's just going to help you add more separation, create more depth, and also add a lot of pop in your images. You can do well with one light, but adding the second light is going to get you that extra oomph that you're looking for in your images. So talking about lighting, you can bring the light closer to your subject, anywhere between 3 and 5 feet, so that you can get that catch light in your subject's eyes. Speaking of catch light, you can also introduce a reflector, which will not only reduce the shadows underneath your subject, but also introduce another catch light in your subject's eyes, and that's going to help you create more interest in your subject's eyes. Alright, so my next point is going to be about the modifiers, and I feel modifiers also play a large role when it comes to creating or crafting or helping you craft the light around your subject. And also for me personally, I like to get dewy looks when I'm shooting beauty portraits, and any silver parabolic umbrella, I like to use a 7-foot parabolic umbrella, helps me get that specular dewy look in my images, and I absolutely love it. So if you have any silver umbrella, parabolic, whatever it is, it's going to help you get that look. But also you can use the all-time photographer favorite beauty dish, that metallic beauty dish. That modifier is just amazing, and I was using it in today's video, as you'd see, and it helped me get that dewy, rich, natural looking glow that I always look out for when I'm shooting beauty portraits. So the next point is going to be about your lens choice. I think if you have anything between 70 and 100, maybe a maximum 135, is going to give you that nice compression and depth that you need. So focal lengths between 70 and 125 are going to be amazing for beauty photography. So moving on to the third point, it kind of ties into my second point about using longer focal lengths, because those are also going to help you get a lot closer. So with beauty photography, I feel once you're talking about beauty photography, you're talking about the person's face. So you want to fill the frame as much as possible with your subject's face. So anywhere from like the chest upwards or even tighter to even do macro shots will give you like a very unique perspective, different crops, different interesting frames to look at. So as much as possible, play with different crops, play with different focal lengths, and also get really close to your subjects to help you get more interesting looking beauty portraits. Your makeup choice and also your model choice. When you're shooting beauty photography, as much as possible, try and let your makeup artist reduce the amount of product that you're using on your subject. That also ties in with your model choice. If you're choosing a subject that has very good skin, it serves as a very good canvas or foundation for you to get that natural looking image, and that's because they are not hiding a lot of blemishes with product, and so you already have that natural texture, that natural glow already shining through. So you need to get a makeup artist who also does very well with that natural look, and that's going to help complement you when you're capturing the images using these 2 lights I mentioned in the beginning, and also using the beauty dish that I mentioned as one of the points, and help you get an overall pleasing looking image. So my next point is about retouching. If you're able to get all these things that I've mentioned in the beginning properly done on set, it means that you're going to have very little work to do in post-processing. That being said, you can use any of these retouching techniques, be it frequency separation or dodge and bend, to achieve natural looking retouch. But the trick is not to do so much. Most of the professionals rely on dodge and bend, but for me, it's a very painstaking process, and so I found a way to combine frequency separation and dodge and bend and mix the two to help me get my natural looking images. So as much as possible, play with both techniques and find what's going to work for you. I have one bonus point, and that's about expressions. So if you're working with beauty portraits, you know you're filling the frame with mainly your subject's face. So as much as possible, communicate with your subject, interact with them in so many ways that can help you bring the core essence or expression of what it is you're selling. So if, for example, if it's a natural, dewy and fresh look that you're going for, try and channel that, make them also give you different expressions, and it's going to help you create interesting, different, diverse, dynamic looking images in your beauty portraits. So yeah, I think you should try and communicate with your subjects and get different expressions when you're shooting beauty portraits. Alright, so I hope you found these 6 tips helpful. If you knew about them, let me know in the comments down below. If some of them are also new to you, let me know in the comments down below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let me know if these tips were helpful, and if you need more tips concerning any other genre of photography, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be down to answer them. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember, don't ever give up.